Hola y buenos días. Welcome to mi canal. Yo me llamo Ruth Darby y presento un curso de español. We're in Unit 6, Unidad 6, which is the blue unit, la Unidad Azul. Y se trata de las tiendas. So we've been shopping for la comida and now we're shopping for la ropa. In the last couple of lessons, I presented vocabulario por la ropa y vocabulario por los colores. So you might want to go back and check those last two videos. In this video, we're going to try on la ropa and we're going to learn words that mean this and these and it and them. So I hope you're going to enjoy this and find it muy útil. Comenzamos. The first word I'd like to presentar, la primera palabra, es probar. Probar means to test. And if we make it reflexive, it means to try on. Probarse means to try on. You might have dificultades to recordar la palabra. So let's think about it por un momento. You could think of proof is prueba. So you try things on and you prove to yourself that they fit. So that's why probarse is to try on. And of course, there might be un problema. So we've got that problema, or there might be poca probabilidad that I could fit into that particular vestido, that particular dress. So you might also like to know this word. Es importante. A changing room or a fitting room is un probador. And if you want to ask where something is, you would say, ¿Dónde está? Where is it? ¿Dónde está el probador? Generalmente, en una tienda de ropa, hay más de un probador. So, if you want to ask where more than one thing is, you say, ¿Dónde están? ¿Dónde están los probadores? Okay. The word probarse, it's a stem-changing verb. So, me pruebo la ropa. I try on the clothes. Te pruebas la ropa. You try on the clothes. Or él se prueba la ropa. Okay. These little words, me, te, se, mean myself, or yourself, or himself, herself. What happens when you get two verbs in a row, like I want to try on? Quiero probar me. Because we're going to use to try on, which is probar, and then stick that little word me on the end. Quiero probar me. So that's how that structure works. If you want to say something like, can I try on? Again, you're going to say puedo, can I, and then probarme. Puedo probarme, and then the piece of clothing. This is used when we're talking about one thing. So maybe a jersey. Puedo probarme este jersey. Okay, let's think about the different words for this and these. We could have este when it's for a masculine thing, so este jersey. Esta when it's a feminine thing, so esta falda. So una falda is a skirt, esta falda. Las sandalias are sandals, so these sandals are estas sandalias. And shoes are a masculine word, so estos zapatos. Okay? How would you say, can I try on these shoes? ¿Puedo probarme estos zapatos? Or can I try on these sandals? ¿Puedo probarme estas sandalias? I want to try on this skirt. Quiero probarme esta falda. Or I want to try on this jersey. Quiero probarme este jersey. Okay? Next, let's think about the words for it and them. So we'll use the same, lo mismo vocabulario. So if I want the jumper, quiero el jersey. And if I want to say I want it, I say it I want. And the word for it is lo. So, lo quiero. Quiero el jersey. Lo quiero. The other ones, the words for it and them are all the same as the word for the. So, the skirt is la falda. Quiero la falda. La quiero. Takes a bit getting used to putting the word order different way round, but we can do it. Lo podemos hacer. The shoes, los zapatos. Quiero los zapatos. Los quiero. And the sandals are las sandalias. Quiero las sandalias. Las quiero. If you want to say I don't want them, no comes right at the beginning, and the word for no is no, like not without the t. So, no las quiero. Las sandalias, no las quiero. ¿Vale? Perfecto. So, en una tienda, hablas con la dependiente, the shopkeeper, y dices, señora, quiero probarme esta falda, por favor. ¿Dónde están los probadores? And la dependiente shows you, están allí. And then there might be another dependiente, normalmente, cerca de los probadores. ¿Puedo probarme esta falda? Sí, claro. She lets you in. Este probador a la izquierda, on the left. And you go in and then you come out with the falda. And la dependiente dice, ¿qué tal? What's it like? ¿Qué tal? If you like it, you say, ¿está bien? La quiero. If it's not okay, then you might talk about the size. And this is the last thing I want to talk about today. The size for this is la talla. I know we've used tamaño, we're going to use talla. So tamaño and talla both mean size. We're going to use talla today. Y la talla, bueno, es un poco grande. La quiero, pero quiero una falda un poquito más pequeña, por favor. Now, if you would like to practicar and leer unos diálogos, we've got página 87, and that has one printed out, and la idea is to identificar la prenda de ropa, the item of clothing, el color, el tamaño, el precio, if they tell you the price, and si el cliente la quiere o no, if he wants it or not, or los quiere, or las quiere, or lo quiere, lo que sea, whatever. If you don't have Pasos, you can also look. It's Actividad 18, Unidad 6. and you can download that transcript booklet. And if you look at Actividad 18, Unidad 6, you find all 3 diálogos printed out for you to read and to try to entender. When we get to this nivel de español, es posible que no entiendas todo, y no importa. Lo importante is to keep going and to try to celebrate the bits that you do understand. So I'd like you to do that, and I would like you not to worry. I will put a link for practicing the words for it and them. Lo, la, los y las. And I'll put that link with studyspanish.com, which is a wonderful site. So do have a look at that. I hope that you've found el vocabulario y el diálogo en esta clase muy útil. Por favor, take notes, toma notas, build your diálogo en papel, and then test yourself. Ponte a la prueba. That means put yourself to the test. Ponte a la prueba. And then vuelve pronto. We're going to talk about describing people and their physical appearance. So fat, thin, tall or short, regresa y vuelve pronto. Por favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel y muchas gracias por su compañía hoy. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.